It doesn't matter when you wake up, but what matters is how you wake up and the first 20 minutes of your day, the moment you wake up. Hello and thank you so much for watching. I am Ijapari Jang, the mom on point. I'm an author, a public speaker, a writer, and an online business coach. I help people to convert their knowledge into profitable business on the internet. So if you are ready to take your business to the next level, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell sign so that you get latest notification on our video. So today I want to talk about waking up and staying motivated all through the day. The reason is because a lot of people have started asking me, how do you manage it? How do you do it? You have 4 kids, you have businesses, you are running POS business, you are running online business, your YouTube channel. Someone even reaching out to me, what time do you really have to create content on YouTube? Because I always see you going around, going up and down. How do you do it? How do you stay motivated? Mom on point. So this question lead me to create this video. I want to share with you how I stay motivated and how you also can click into it, because as I always tell people, it does not matter when you wake up, but what matters is how you wake up and the first 20 minutes of your day. So how do I stay motivated? The first thing I would share with you is set a consistent wake up and bedtime. You need to set alerts. When do you want to be waking up and when do you go to sleep? It's very, very important. Then the second tip I will share with you is put your mind to rest. It's important. That is why I say it's how you wake up, and what will determine how you wake up is what you did the previous night. Yes, what you did the previous night will determine how you will wake up in the morning. So you need to put your mind to rest. Daily, if I'm going to bed, instead of focusing on things that I couldn't accomplish, I rather put my energy and mind, appreciate myself, give myself a tap in the back. No matter how it goes, I know I have tried my best. So I will concentrate on the things that I've done right and then put my mind to rest and go to sleep. It's very, very important. And then the next thing I also do is I have a gratitude journal. If I'm going to bed, what helped me to appreciate my day is I write 5 things that I'm grateful for that day. Is it a new client? Is it my book sales? Is it people that buy my online courses? Is it the comments on my YouTube channel? The comments that people are reaching out to me, appreciating me for the content? Is it my family? Is it my health? Is it my business? Is it my income? So I always have a gratitude journal that I write down 5 things I am most grateful for. And then the next thing is, if I'm going to bed, I put my phone away. Anytime I mistakenly leave my phone around me, I'm going to wake up feeling tired, because if the phone is close to me, I'll be tempted to touch it. So I try as much as I can to put my phone away, so that by the time I'm waking up, as the alarm wakes me up, I'm forced to stand up and go and pick it, because by the time the phone is close by, I'll be tempted to just put it off so that I will sleep the more. So it's very important you put your phone away from you, so that in the morning, as the alarm will wake you up, you would have to stand up and pick your phone. And then I open my curtain so that I will see the brightness of the day, because that light that will shine through is going to wake your brain and wake your body up, so that you will be energetic as you wake up in the morning. So after that, the next tip I will share with you is to be silent at least. After I've prayed, I'll come to my office. It's just my dining that I'm using. I'll just sit quietly for a while, even if it is just a minute. Then I say my affirmation. I am the best. I can do it. I am a winner. Today is my best day. God is always with me. I have a genius mind capable of demystifying problems. Open my eyes, Lord, to the resources around and available to me. And I'm committed to being wealthy, and I will take fearless action until I win. My affirmation is actually long. I just shared just the first paragraph with you guys. So it's very important to have an affirmation. After I say my affirmation, I visualize myself. I will say I'm a winner at so. My YouTube channel is ranking so, and this and that. I'll visualize it. I'll imagine myself in my latest car, Toyota RAV4 tier crossover SUV. I'll imagine myself driving that car, because that's my dream car, honestly. So I imagine myself driving that car. I imagine myself receiving an award, like I have my in my office I have my vision board. I will imagine and visualize what I want and imagine it into my life. Is very, very extremely important. So after that, I take a glass of water. If I take a glass of water, I'm not the too much exercising type. Yes, I don't exercise that much. All I do, I will take a walk, and all this I do it within the first 20 minutes of my day. Is very, very important. So after I take a cup of water, I now sit back, and I've taken a walk. I will now sit back and write my gratitude journal for the day. I will always write. I write it before I go to sleep, and I write it when I wake up. So it's very, very important. So I hope this will help you. Maybe if you look through it, it will help you. You can maybe remove the ones you feel you're not okay with it, but this is what helped me to stay motivated. It's very important. And every day in a week, I ensure I pick at least one book that I read, even if it is just 2 or 3 pages, based on what I want to accomplish in the day. Like currently now, I'm reading a book by Brian Tracy, How the Best Leaders Lead, because I'm growing, my business is growing, and I'm getting to a point where I'm having a team of people, so I need to lead by example. Not as if I don't have leadership quality, but I need to brush it up again so that I will learn how to accommodate people the more, so that I will learn how to appreciate them the more. So it's very, very important. So I also read books to help me stay motivated, because by the time I read that book, it will remind me of what I want to become and how I can get there. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, don't forget to click the like, click the subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you get latest notification on our videos, be it on entrepreneurship, online business, self-publishing. And if you have any question concerning what I talk about, or any other thing at all concerning business and entrepreneurship or online business, you can go ahead and drop your question in the comment section of this video. So until I come your way again in my next video, do have a wonderful day. Bye.